UBIM. BIM for FM. Simple. Did you know that only about 20% of the total cost of your building is spent during design and construction, while 80% is expended during operations? Are you aware of the tremendous inefficiencies in building data transfer from the design team to the construction crew, and later handover to the facilities management team? Are you aware of the incredible waste of time a facilities workforce trying to find critical asset information within this mess, or not finding it at all? Besides, not having good data available means poor asset maintenance, which is equal to higher utility bills, unpredicted failures, shorter asset lifespan, and higher replacement costs equals to unhappy occupants. Nowadays, that more and more projects are using BIM to be designed and built, and the owner may receive good data-rich building information models, documents, and data as a construction handover. But the reality is, facility managers and technicians are typically not BIM software experts and should not be. They just need to access the information. How cool would it be accessing building information and assets location as simple as finding your nearest restaurant on Google Maps? Using a tool that doesn't need BIM skills, that doesn't require software installation, that doesn't need training. Well, that is UBIM. UBIM integrates BIM models with asset specs, cut sheets, warranty information, submittals, etc. into one simple interface that can be accessed from any web browser or mobile device from anywhere. UBIM can integrate this BIM data with your work order, preventive maintenance management system, as well as with your BMS, building management automation systems, also making live buildings performance data instantly accessible. You can quickly find an asset within your building in 2D and in 3D, get its full information, including attributes, documents, live BAS readings, understand the environment around an asset you are about to maintain, understanding its system, look at work order status visually through UBIM built-in simple WO system, or walking around with your mobile device and getting data by scanning QR codes, or by just asking UBIM to find the warranty information of that air handling unit. UBIM. BIM for FM. Simple.